it's your girl done now. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my reaction to trying this Vital Proteins Collagen Mix for the first time. Stay watching, I'll be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Remember guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. The first thing I'm going to do, and if you guys have seen other videos, you know that I love to smell things. I'm gonna give this a smell test. And like I said, this is a reaction video. Got a little bit on my nose. And it says it's unflavored and it's good for, as we all know, collagen is good for your skin, hair, nail, and joint support. And this is grass-fed and pastured raised. And guys, I know it's unflavored, but this has a funny, I can't describe it, type of smell. Don't get me wrong, it doesn't smell bad. It just has a strange smell to it. And of course, the smell should not affect the taste because it's unflavored, but it just has a funny smell to it. I know it's unflavored, but I just have this grimy taste in my mouth. It's unflavored, like I said. I don't understand why I'm getting this grimy, funny flavorish type of thing going on. All right. Here's my recommendation. If you insist on having Vital Proteins and you want to go with the unflavored, the benefit of having the unflavored is that you can mix it in. You can cook, you can bake, or you can mix in with this. And that's the benefit of having unflavored. Now, when you have the flavored peptides, you know, it's going to affect the way your recipes taste. Would I purchase this again? It's a possibility. But would I drink it with just plain water? Absolutely not. I'm gonna have to mix this in with my smoothie or my juice or whatever I need to mix it in with, because I did not enjoy drinking this. It says unflavored, and I think it means it has no actual flavor like raspberry, blueberry, mint. It doesn't have a flavor like that, but it had a definite taste or smell going on. I hope that this video was helpful to someone today. Keep the comments coming. Don't forget to leave comments just below and drop questions if you do happen to have questions about anything relating to collagen. Remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, mwah, ciao.